Hi, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Afiq, and today I will do like a review and thoughts on this camera. It is a6400 from Sony, and let it focus. Okay, focus. Okay, and today I will do like a review and thoughts on is it still worth it in 2023, and alongside with it I will use the ND filter from Canon concept. Okay, and yeah, I will show you some videos, and I'm still learning on it. Okay, now I will show you some buttons on the camera. Okay, first off, this is the ISO, and that one is for the frame rate, and that one is for the changing the display. And I'm trying to show you the EVF, but it's not working. I don't know how to shoot it. And that one is for the micro USB, and this one is for the mini HDMI and mic jack. That one for the mic jack. And okay, that's all for the side port. And I will show you the flip up LCD screen. And right now, yeah, that's the kit lens. Okay, that's all for the flip up screen. And I'm trying to show you the top one. Okay, that's the NFC and the record button, which the red one for videos. And yeah, that's it. Okay, I will show you the pop-up flash. It's kinda okay to have it, I don't know. Okay, now I will try to show you the VF. Okay, now it's kinda working with, I'm recording it with my phone. Okay, now let's show you the battery slot and the SD card slot. Okay, and then that one is for the mode, wheel for the mode, and the next to it is the aperture wheel, so you can change your aperture. Mine are so sweaty, that's why. Yeah, that's one is for the aperture wheel, so you can change your aperture. And that one is for the autofocus or manual focus button. That's a function button, gallery and delete button, and that one is the menu button. I think that's all for the camera. Hello. Apa dah? Okay, for the final verdict, this camera is still worth it in 2023, and yeah, it is very good for the first camera. I got it used for under $700, and soon I will get a new lens, and I will do a review on it soon, maybe after I've done some tests. And yeah, this camera is really worth it with the 24 megapixel sensor and 4K up to 30 frames, and Full HD is up to 120 frames per second, and you can do so many things, like you can do a slog, and you can see myself in the flippy up screen. And yeah, this camera is really good for the first camera, and I think this camera is still worth it in 2023. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and hope you guys enjoy this kind of random vlogs and stuff. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and if you like it, you can leave a like down below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and hope to see you guys next time on my next upload. And yeah, see ya, bye.